When the price is trending upward, we can observe a sequence of higher lows and higher highs on the chart. In a downtrend, it's just the opposite, a series of lower highs and lower lows. Many traders, when trading with the trend, manually move their stop loss to the most recent or previous swing, high or low, to secure profits. This is known as a trailing stop that follows highs and lows. But setting this manually is time-consuming and requires constant chart monitoring. That's why this process can be fully automated using the trailing stop based on highs and lows, available in the Trade Manager for MT4 and MT5. To activate this trailing stop, go to the third tab in the main panel, find the trailing stop settings, expand the drop-down menu, and select TS high and lows. Now let's go through the main parameters. Start defines when to activate the trailing stop. It can be set as a number of pips from the entry price, a percentage of the distance between the entry and take profit, a risk-reward ratio, or a specific price level. Next, we have bars number. This defines how many bars before and after the peak or low must have lower highs or lows than the bar we consider the swing point. For example, 3 means 3 candles on both sides. HL back tells the program how far back to look. 1 equals the most recent high or low, 2 equals the second most recent, and so on. Offset lets you shift the stop loss by a set number of pips. For example, 2 places the stop loss 2 pips above the high or below the low. Timeframe lets you choose whether the program should detect highs and lows on the current chart or a different time frame. Once all the parameters are set, click the red off button to activate the trailing stop. It will turn green. Now let's place a buy order. We wait until the trade reaches 2 pips of profit, as defined in the start parameter. As soon as it does, the Trade Manager automatically moves the stop loss to the most recent swing low. Now we wait for a new higher low to form, because the program never moves the SL further away, only closer. Once the new low is confirmed by 3 candles on the right side, the stop loss is updated to this new low. This continues automatically, step by step, until the take profit is hit or the price comes back to the stop loss. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel to not miss the next episodes.